स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः
स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्टुवागं सस्तनूभिः
व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः
व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ अग्ने नय सुपथाराये अस्मान्
ॐ अग्ने नय सुपथाराये अस्मान्
विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान्
विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान्
युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो
युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो
भूयिष्ठां ते नममुक्तिं विधेम
भूयिष्ठां ते नम उक्तिं विधेम
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Now we go to the second section, Brahmanandavalli of Taittiriya Upanishad. And among many Upanishads, Taittiriya Upanishad is very popular, important, because it has got that Sikshavalli, Brahmanandavalli, and Bhrigavalli. So in Sikshavalli, we have gone through the Siksha, the rules for pronunciation, and education regarding the Veda, their teacher and student relationship, and the aspirations of the teacher in respect of the students, and so on. And ultimately, we have come to note that also the various convocational address also important. That is getting the students educated, graduated, how should they conduct themselves when they're outside? Because when they're out from the college, their behavior is important, because they always ask from what college you graduated and who is the principal of the college, like that. So you have got to behave in a manner that the reputation of the institution is upheld. Secondly, you must have such a behavior that you should respect your parents and allied elders. And when you complete your education, don't get intellectual settlement. If you come across some more scholars better than I, best you go to them, sit with them, and know more things. So actually, a guru is always happy when Shishya is more and more skilled and knowledgeable and sharing. Therefore, eke chasma sreya gumso brahmana tesham. So who are Shreyas Brahmanas are there. Brahmana is learned fellows. You just go and sit them there. That is to say, there is no jealous at all for Pandits. Normally, all scholars are jealous. They don't like any other scholar. If a PhD or MA of one subject or MSc speaking in the audience, there won't be same subject people sitting in the audience. You are the only master of subject. You don't find all general public will be sitting and appreciating. But those who have qualified Akkad as you have got qualified, no. Generally, it is our experience. All this time, if I am talking, there cannot be second Sanskrit MA sitting there. So this is a but we should not think about it because everybody is jealous. Oh, I am such a scholar. How can I live? Why should I listen to him? I know everything. This aham bhavana is there with all people. No, unless you also are ready to learn, because it is said, pinde pinde matir bhinna. That is the idea. In each and every individual, there is difference in intelligence. There is difference in understanding. And there is difference in the presentation. And there is difference in the attraction. And therefore, there is always the priorities of the speakers and acharyas. In America, it is more popular. You choose the teachers and subject. In India, we don't have option. So whatever teacher, principal put for that, you have to go. In fact, when I was a school student, there was one mathematics teacher, Narasimha Murthy. We were all scared about him because if at all we do some malady or mistake, he would catch us by our cheek. And then, oh God, what a pain, our ear. So that was the time when we went through. Therefore, if he comes late for the class, we are not at all unhappy. We just we're so happy. So many times he used to come late for our class because 10:30 class for first class he used to come at 11 o'clock or 11:10 from Old Town. Anyway, so we want that the teachers must be very much convincing, attractive, and educative and encouraging. So that's what is there in the graduation Shishya Anuvachanam, and that's why. And moreover, there is no division, there is no alternative. Esha Adesha, Esha Upadesha, Esha Vedopanishad. So always our Veda Samhitas are Prabhu Samhitas. Prabhu means authoritative, something like Rajagna. If government order means you shall obey. There is no appeal or revision or like immediately. And if at all you appeal, it takes time. Therefore, in the Sikshavalli, we have been taught the sense of discipline. Now that we have covered, and I just try to revise it so that we will know that this particular Upasana is important and you should honor everybody. And in the second one, in the second Prashnam, Brahmanandavalli. You see, Brahmavalli, Anandavalli, put together as Brahmanandavalli. Brahmavalli, Valli means a creeper. So the creeper would grow depending upon the kind of support it has got. If the support is tall and very strong, the creeper also grows tall and supported. Therefore, it all depends upon the creeper, the support. Therefore, and what kind of Brahma, who is that Brahma? Ananda is Brahma. So in the very outset itself, we have been told, Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. See, when you talk about Brahma, Anandavalli, what is that Brahma? Brahma is Satyam, Brahma is Jnanam, Brahma is Ananta. And anybody who is able to practice, understand these three identifications of Brahma, then what would happen? He would be having the fulfillment of all his desires. Sarvan Kaman Samasnutayiti. So actually, all desires are more in the human beings. Gods don't have desires much. Their desire is only to be happily continue to in the Sargalokam. If Rakshasas like Mahishasura or Subhasura drive them away, robbing their authority and portfolios, then only they go to appeal to Vishnu, Bas. Otherwise, they don't go at all. So this time I am trying to write, because I am teaching Durga Saptashti also. If you are free, you can log in tomorrow. There, Mahishasura, second chapter, your sister has got it explained for 3 or 4 years, with breaks and breaks. But anyway, she completed the last one. That is the Diksha she had to get the Durga Saptati explained. Why? Because Durga Saptati is a wonderful Devi Aradhana, Sri Vidya Upasana, and at the same time, Gnanarjana will be there. So though there is a physical description about the Devi and fighting and war and implements, but there is like that, here Sarvan Kaman Saha Asnute. And then he talks about the Annam. See, what is man composed of? A man or a jiva is composed of Annam. So the entire blood is the Annarasa. So we take the food, it gets digested, it gets assimilated and circulated. Therefore, blood is Paramatma, flowing, blood is Saraswati, flowing nook and corner of our body. So if there is some kind of problem, then it is a health hazard. Therefore, Annam is, that's why I said, Annarasamaya Purushaha. The Purusha is nothing but the essence of the Annam. Therefore, if we don't eat Annam, then we become nirviryas. We become weak. Ultimately, we die. Therefore, and moreover, the requirement of Annam by the body is indicated to you by hunger. And hunger is also a pain. And nobody can stand hunger pain. Any pain in the world could be stood, but only that's why Shankaracharya tells us, Bhiksha Ushadham Bhujyatam. Bhiksha or Annam is Aushadham, medicine, to meet the painkiller. That's a painkiller. And therefore, Tadapyesha Slokova. And then we have also covered the Annamaya Kosha last section, where how Annam makes a role in the journey of life of all beings born upon the earth. And because of Annam, because of food, all beings maintain and new beings come into existence. And even then, even the new beings also grow. So everything, the linking force to entire creation, sustenance is important, and therefore Annarasamayat Atma Pranamayaha Tenaisha Purnaha. And therefore, and for that we have got Panchavayus, Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana. So this Vayu, that's why Ayurveda people consider Vayu, the vital airs, to be very important for our health maintenance. So homogeneity of the Vayus inside will make us healthier. For example, it says Prana, Apana and Vyana. These are the three helping the maintenance of the body. That is food taking, digestion, assimilation, circulation. But the Udana and Samana, these two are going to intellect, brain. So the brain power to be guarded and improved by the other prana. That's why brain is important one, because Urdhamulam Adhashakam, all our human beings are having the root upwards and branches downwards, inverted tree. A tree has got roots down the earth and then branches up the earth. But we are all, our branch is here, our head, our roots are in the head, brain. All signals come and go from brain. Therefore, for a healthy and good behavior, brain function is very important. Many times when age comes up, the brain also will be duller. That should not happen. People develop and forgetting things. They lose memory, etc. So many problems. No, but therefore, the Udana Samana Vayus must be very good, because among all the 5 vital airs, it is said, Prana eva Siraha. Siraha means top important, priority. in the priority, pranavayu is important, then vyana, then apana. Then the other ones are pucham pratishtha tadapyesha sloka. I just try to revise to you because 1 week, now 15 days gap for you. Our head will be complete clean slate. Because you are so busy, we are so busy that we don't much time. But at least when we sit to remember what our Taittiriya Rishis have come, are intending to educate us, then they talk about the Panchakosha Vidya, the 5 sheets. And that's why a man is a human being, or all beings are because of the annam and all these things. Next, he talks about the Pranamaya Kosha. And I don't know, did we do this Pranamaya? Yeah. So I give a summary and go to the Manomaya. Then in the Pranamaya Kosha also, very important, because it is said, Prano hi bhutanam ayuhu. See, bhutanam, bhuta, living. Preta, dead and gone. So there are only 2 types of people, living and dead. Now this is a period when all dead people will come and remain closer to the people. I told you, Saraswati, also remember these days, when on the tithi that your father has gone, you just do some dhanam and some tarpanam with your brother and all that. Because they will be expecting from the living people some kind of support. Most important is the water. Because the area where they live is very dry. That's why people do with wet clothes. Now and then taking bath, etc. So because the more you are cooler here, they will be comfortable. And the concept is interesting. If you put a switch, your bulb comes. What is the connection? So if you do something here, that will go and glow at the Pitrulokam. A very interesting philosophy and thing, connections. So many times you don't see connected. Now we have got all connections hiding. In our young days, all wires used to be on the wall. And you will see how the wires have been running on outside the wall. Now nothing, you don't know where wire goes. You only switch and light. This is how that was. Similarly, whatever little that we do now here in these sessions, that will get connected to the corresponding people. So corresponding Pitru Devatas. But afterwards, on the 10th day, that is 15th day, that's called Mahalaya day, all Pitrus will be very happy, whatever anybody does it. So that there, the individualized Pitrus are not also important, but also all general Pitrus. Something like a group like that. So anyway, here it is said that Pranamayat Tena Purusha, and again here in this Prana, there is a Rug Veda, Yadur Veda, Samaveda comes into being. It's a knowledge. And when you take that particular prana as a bird, and all birds can fly only with the 2 wings and head and all that. So Rugdakshina Paksha, Sama Uttara Paksha, and Atma Adesha, and Angirasaha Pucham, and this is Lokam. That's why Atma Adesha. Adesha means command. See, whatever good, bad, etc. you do it all goes and settles down to the Atma. Manamunnamu kani, manam chesindi mana Atma velutundi. Meer bone cheste Atma Ravudu truthu padtaru. ఆ భోజనం చేయకుండా డిలే చేస్తే ఆత్మారాముడు ఏడుస్తాడు. అందుకే మర్యాదగా ఆ రోజుల్లో ఆత్మారాముడు ఏడుస్తున్నాడు చెప్తే పిలుస్తున్నాడు అంటారు. అప్పుడు సచ్చినట్టు అన్నం పోయి భోజనం చేసిందే. తర్వాత అమ్మయ్య ఆత్మారాముడు కొంచెం తృప్తి పడ్డాడు. ఆత్మ రాముని కంపేర్ చేస్తారు. because Rama is always exposed to difficulties. Though Rama is a Chakravarti, Maharaja, etc., Mahavira, anything happens, you'll say, Ayo Rama. Say, Ayo Ramane, never Aho Ramaga. Lakshmana is Aho, because Rama is born to bear all sorts of troubles. There is no rest at all for Rama. Therefore, because he has worked without rest, such are good leaders for us. Leaders they don't know when they sleep, but they're constantly as like watchdogs, looking after so many affairs of the country. So that's why Modi could not, any presents, I don't know how he takes to India. It's a dumping. He has got so many things. Doesn't matter. So, Angirasaha Puchyam. I hope now you got the concept about the importance of the prana. And prana kosha, and prana kosha, or that particular sheet, is totally filled with the activity, living layuga. And now we have not done the manomaya kosha, we go to that. Because the Taittiriya Upanishad is a very interesting, educative one, where you have got so much to learn here.
Yes.
And you go inside your body, study, unlike a doctor.
Correct.
But what hypothesis the doctor requires, it is here. But beyond the hypothesis, the interpretation of the hypothesis that a doctor, any researcher wants, is here also. Because mana research lopal em chestamante, there are three aspects of our work. One is collection of data. Then interpretation of the data.
Correct.
The third one is the presentation of data into chapters, into divisions. So these three things are there. That's why any constant substantial work will be having 80% perspiration, 20% inspiration.
Correct. Correct.
You perspire a lot. Therefore, here also we have got, now we go to the Manomaya, because there are so many jivas who confine to Pranamaya, who confines to Annamaya. But man is different. He has got more higher sheets. What are the higher things? Manassu, Vijnanam, ultimately Ananda. That is to say that for Ananda, which is the foundation stone? Manas.
Manas.
If your mind is pleasant, the whole world looks pleasant to you.
Correct. Correct.
If your mind is alarmed and disturbed and gripped with fear, you will see fear only. Therefore, here in this Upanishad, we observe there is a kind of discussion about the mind. But who is the controller of our mind? Paramatma, Krishna. In entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has been hammering on our head. Maniyarpita mano buddhihi. You please deposit your mind and buddhi upon me, in me. I will be caring that, and you can do other works. If you are conscious of your mind only, you will not sleep.
Correct.
Furniture shop lo manchi sofa chusanu anukunte adi konenta varaku meer nidra pattadu maatalu taggavu. Anything that you love to get it to your house, unless you are able to bring it home, you are not happy. So, ee manassu ayo devudu chuskuntadle, why do you bother when time? Definitely, if I am destined, I will get it. But work for that. And philosophy undante, you are not tensed.
Correct.
You are not stressed. That's exactly what, I don't know whether you heard yesterday's talk. That lady, that is about, she talked about the Indian traditions and kidney diseases.
Right.
I sent you the link.
Yes.
Yeah, you can, slowly you can just visit. But you can just go through and you will come to know that she has touched many, many important points. For example, the kidney health talks about the sugar, talks about the salt, talks about the water, and talks about the food, and talks about your mind, and some yoga asanas and all. So this is all what whole time was beautifully spent out. So here, the Manomaya Kosha is the foundation for next higher growth. We are not satisfied with mere food, is it not? చక్కగా భోజనం చేస్తున్న తర్వాత అక్కడ అలా బయటకు వస్తాం రండి ట్రిప్, some trip you want to go, ride, you want to go to garden, you want to go some places, vacation చేద్దాం రండి. No, నాకు లడ్డూలు ఇచ్చినా దోశ ఏమి ఇచ్చినా కూడా you are not happy to stay in home only. Hey, our lunch is over, come on, let's go out. That's exactly what the mind. After the mind, we have got Vijnana means technicalities and information and skills. And that we'll see next. Now, Japani, Om Yato Vacho Nivartante.
Om Yato Vacho Nivartante.
Aprapya Manasa Saha.
Aprapya Manasa Saha.
Anandam Brahmano Vidwan.
Anandam Brahmano Vidwan.
Na bibheti kadachaneti.
Na vibheti kadachaneti.
Tasyaisha eva shariratma.
Tasyesha eva sharira atma.
Yah purvasya.
Yah purvasya.
Tasmadva etasmatu.
Tasmadva etasmat.
Manomayatu.
Manomayat.
Anyantaratma Vijnanamayah.
Anyantaratma Vijnanamayah.
Tenaisha Purnaha.
Tenaisha Purnaha.
Sava esha Purusha Vidhayeva.
Sava esha Purusha Vidha eva.
Tasya Purusha Vidhatam.
Tasya Purusha Vidhatam.
Tasya Shraddhaiva Shiraha.
Tasya Shraddhaiva Shiraha.
Rutam Takshina Pakshaha.
Rutan Dakshina Pakshaha.
Satyamuttara Pakshaha.
Satyamuttara Pakshaha.
Yoga Atma.
Yoga Atma.
Mahapucham Pratishtha.
Mahapucham Pratishtha.
Tadapyesha Sloko Bhavati.
Tadapyesha Shloko Bhavati.
Such a beautiful analysis that we always think that through our mind we can catch everything, more so the Paramatma. So, and how is the mind? How do you send your mind? Through walk. So, Vang me manasi pratisthita, mano me vachi pratishtitam. My mind is in my speech, and my speech is in my mind. When they both tally, you are considered to be better fellow. Your talk and action and other things are not congruent, you are hopeless. Therefore, Satyam means what? Yad vacha vadati, tat karmana karoti, tadesha bhyukta, you already committed. So what you utter, you execute. What you execute is your mind. Beautiful connection you observe. So vachaha yataha nivartante. Your speech, walk, wants to reach up the heights of Paramatma. Otherwise, but aprapya saha manasa saha, your walk together with the mind cannot reach it but returns disappointed. అంటే దేవుణ్ణి స్తోత్రాల ద్వారా వాక్ ద్వారా వాళ్ళ వశం చేసుకుందాం అనుకుంటాం. We want to make the gods to listen to our twitch of thumb. కానీ వాళ్ళు ఎట్లంటే ఆ పరబ్రహ్మ ఎటువంటి వాడంటే మనస్సుకి వాక్కు రెండిటికి అందని వాడు. ఎన్ని వేల సార్లు స్తోత్రాలు చేస్తేనో మనకు చెప్తాడు. 10,000 సార్లు విష్ణు సహస్రనామం పారాయణం చేస్తారు, 10,000 times, or they do it 1,00,000 times, which means that the purpose intended with is being accomplished because of that kind of effort. Therefore, మామూలుగా మాటల్లో కానీ మనసుతో కూడా I know God అంటే stupid అంటే. How do you know God? God is having two things, Maya. See, every God has got a Maya, and every man or woman has got a Maya. ఆ వాళ్ళ మాయలో పడిపోయామంటే మనం పాడైపోతాం. కాబట్టి అందుకే వాట్ ఈస్ ది కాషన్ గివన్? Brahmins speak harsh, but they are very soft in their heart. Whereas the kings and Kshatriyas speak very sweetly, but in the heart they will have connivance. వాళ్ళ మనస్సు అదే రాజుల మనస్సు అర్థం చేయాలి. When you go to interview, the interviewing officer, I will send you a reply అంటారు. ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేసేసి I will respond to you better అన్నట్టు అంటారు. Apply, no reply. So, but there is also a lot of thing. But in the case here, that aprapya manasasaha, why that kind of happens is brahmano anandam vidwan. So in order to catch up the ananda of the Brahma, what is ananda Brahma? Is an extreme happiness, extreme complacence, extreme ecstasy. ఆ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. వెళ్తే అప్పుడు మీకు ఇంకేమీ కాబట్టదు. భోజనం చేసిన వాడిని మళ్ళీ భోజనం చేయమనండి, యూ విల్ నెవర్. హోళికలు తిన్నవాడు ఇంకొక హోళిక తీసుకోండి అనండి. నో, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ది బ్రహ్మానందం. సో బ్రహ్మ, ఇన్ సింపుల్ వర్డ్స్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్. సో విద్వాన్ అంటే తెలుసుకోవాలి. యూ మస్ట్ నో the wills and itches of Paramatma and also know the extreme. That's why Anandamaya Paramatma. That's why Paramatma is Anandamaya, always happy. He has no complaints. ఎవరి గురించి ఎవరికి చాడీలు చెప్పడు. చాడీలు వింటాడు కానీ దేవతలు వచ్చి, దేవతలు ఆర్ సెకండరీ పీపుల్. అయ్యో రాక్షసు వాడు మహిషాసు ఇట్లున్నాడు, ఆ రక్త బీజం ఇట్లున్నాడు అని వీళ్ళు చాడీలు చెప్తారు కదా విష్ణు దగ్గరికి. అండ్ వాళ్ళు చాడీలన్నీ విని అయ్యో పాపం అని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ ఏదో కష్టపడాలి వాడు. ఎనీవే ఆల్ బాసెస్ ఆర్ లైక్ దాట్. చాలా మందికి దే గెట్ డిస్కరేజ్డ్, దే లూజ్ దేర్ అపాయింట్మెంట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ చాడీస్ సెంట్ బై అదర్స్. వినే ఆఫీసర్స్ ఉంటారు 3 మంది, ఐ నో దట్. సో some fellow, he has no work but keep on talking XYZ or ill about them. So even if the head wanted to have a nice idea about you, this fellow will be poisoning.
Exactly.
So that's why you should know Brahmana Anandam Vidwan. What will be the Brahmana Anandam? Absolutely still. In photos lo stills videos తీస్తారు కదా. Still photo is permanent. Video is temporary. ఎగిరిపోతుంది. So the Anandam of Brahma is still. And therefore, what would happen if you were to know the Brahmanandam? When you are completely in the ecstasy of joy, you will never remember fear at all. సో నబిభేతి కదాచన ఇది. కదాచన అంటే ఏంటి? ఎప్పటికైనా. ఇప్పుడు భయం వస్తుంది, ఇప్పుడు భయం లేదు, ఇంకా సేపు అయిన భయం వస్తుంది అనేటువంటి టెంపరీ ఫీచర్ కాదు అది. ఒక్కసారి బ్రహ్మానందం వచ్చిన తర్వాత యు ఆర్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ బియాండ్ భయం. అందుకే భయాపహ లలితా సహస్రనామంలో సో భయాపహ అని అమ్మవారు. దుస్వప్న భయాపహ వీరారాధ్య జయత్సేన అని లలితా సహస్రనామంలో. వీరారాధ్య జయత్సేన. వై ఆల్ హీరోస్ అండ్ వారియర్స్ respect Lalita Parameswari? Because she is known to give you victory. Jayat Sena, she will make your army win the battle. Lalita Sahasranamam is not simply actually Lalita Parameswari doesn't bother. But all those names are for us to make our life upon the earth smooth and happy. దూర ఆరాధ్య అన్నప్పుడు అనుకుంటాను లలిత చిక్కిపోతుందని. నో, బట్ ఆరాధన చెయ్యాలి అమ్మవారికి, కష్టపడాలి. సో దురారాధ్య అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఎఫర్ట్ టు సీ దాట్ షీ గెట్స్ లిటిల్ మూవ్డ్. అండ్ దేర్ఫోర్ దురాధర్ష. ఒక్కసారి అమ్మవారు వలిసిందంటే అమ్మవారు ఇచ్చినటువంటి వరాన్ని ఎవ్వరూ తీసేయలేరు. We are all like this only because of the grace of the goddess. ఆల్ శక్తి స్వరూపిణి. అండ్ ఇల్లు అద్ది ఇది చూస్తుంటే అంతా వీఆర్ నో బడీ, అవన్నీ వచ్చి సంక్రమిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఈవెన్ దట్స్ వై ఈ వాస్తు అన్నప్పుడు ఈ సంపద సంక్రమంతి. అండ్ ఆల్ ది వస్తుస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ పరమేశ్వరి రూప. దట్స్ వై I am taking more time to explain you that Vidwan Brahmana, ఎవరైతే నిజమైన సంతోషాన్ని తెలుసుకుంటారో వాడికి ఎప్పటికీ భయం ఉండదు. That's exactly what Krishna assures in Gita. Name bhaktaah pranasyanti. My bhaktas will never perish. And ఇంకో చోట అంటాడు కృష్ణతో, కళ్యాణ కృత్కాక దుర్గతిం నగచ్చతి. ఓ తాత, ఓ అర్జున, ఓ బాయ్, ఎవడైతే కళ్యాణాలు చేస్తూ వస్తారో, పంచకార్యాలు చేస్తూ వస్తారో వాడికి దుర్గతి అనేదే లేదు, సుగతినే. అంటే ఇలా వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ మీన్? ఇట్ జస్ట్ మీన్స్ నా బిభేతి కదా. చూసారా? యు అండర్స్టూడ్ ది మీనింగ్. సో దేవుడు నమ్ముకున్నవాడు, ఆనందంలో ఉన్నవాడు, వాడికి ఎప్పటి కూడా భయం ఉండదు. నాకేలే, దేవుడు చూసుకుంటాడు. In fact, he will do it.
Correct.
The entire Krishna ఏం చెప్తాడు? మా మనుస్మర యుధ్యచ. నన్ను జ్ఞాపకం పెట్టుకో మనసు లోపల, నువ్వు నీ పనులు చేసుకో. టీవీ ఆన్ చేసేసి మీరు వంట చేస్తుంటారు కదా. అప్పుడు అలాంటి రెండు జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. బట్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ మచ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ ది టీవీ. ఓన్లీ ది సీన్స్ పోతూ ఉంటుంది. బట్ వంట కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఉంటుంది కదా. వంట is Paramatma.
Correct.
And TV is Maya.
That is true. True.
So, మాయలో పడితే వంట పాడైపోతుంది.
Correct.
I'm just giving an example. That's why కదాచన న బిభేతి. అప్పటికి కూడా వాడికి భయం ఉండదు. అండ్ కాబట్టి తస్య ఏష ఏవ శారీర ఆత్మ. ఈ ఆత్మలో ఉండే ఈ శరీరంలో ఉండే ఆత్మ ఎటువంటిది అంటే ఆనందమయంగా ఉంటుంది. ఆత్మ ఈజ్ హ్యాపీ, బట్ బాడీ మేక్స్ ఇట్ అన్హ్యాపీ. ఏదో ఒకటి వస్తూ ఉంటే యూ విల్ బి అన్నెసరీ రియాక్టింగ్. బట్ సమ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ దేర్, దే ఆర్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ కేరింగ్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్ టు బాదర్ అదర్స్. నిజమైన స్వాములు కొంతమంది ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర పోతే డూ దే టాక్ అబౌట్ దేర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ టు యూ? యూ టాక్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండ్ గెట్ సమ్ సోలేస్. ఇస్ ఇట్ నాట్? Such are good gurus. The moment he looks at you, keeps on telling his paucity, food, paucity of funds, paucity of all. Ivanni modellette, do you like to go to Swamiji again? Yeah. That's why a real teacher or guru is ఏమంటాడంటే సుగతైః సుగతైః సుభాషితైః సుబోధ పదవీం ప్రాప్నువంతి మహర్షయః అంటాడు బాటభావన. సుగతం అంటే చక్కగా అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి అనుకూలమైనటువంటి మంచి మాటలు చెప్పి మీ మనస్సులో ఉత్సాహాన్ని నింపి మిమ్మల్ని ఇంటికి పంపిస్తారు. Then your feeling is quite different.
Yes.
And local, that's why Atma, Sharira Atma, Yesha Eva. ఎంత అర్థం ఉందండి దీనిలో? ఏష ఏవ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఏష? ఆనందం, బ్రహ్మణ ఆనందమయమే. సో ఆత్మ ఆనందంగా ఉంటుంది. అట్లా ఆత్మానందమయ అంట. ఆత్మానందం పరమ సుఖదం జ్ఞానినామప్యగమ్యం లోకాతీతం త్రిగుణరహితం సద్గురుం తం నమామి. సో సద్గురు అంటే దక్షిణామూర్తి. ఆయన దక్షిణామూర్తి ఎటువంటి వాడు అంటే ఇన్ని బట్టి చెప్పేవాడు. సో అటువంటి గురువులు దొరికారంటే ధన్యం. మొదటి నుంచి ఏడుస్తుంటే వాడు చెప్తే కష్టం. కాబట్టి శారీరాత్మ అండ్ తస్మాద్వా ఏతస్మాత్ మనోమయాత్. ఇటువంటి బ్రహ్మానందం చిక్కాలి అంటే మన ఆత్మ లోపల ఏమి నిండుకుంది అంటే మనస్సు. Mind is completely filled in our Atma, and therefore the tool mind, if you keep it firm and complacent, then the Atma will be complacent. మీ గ్యాస్ లైటర్లో పెట్రోల్ ఉంటే గ్యాస్ అంటుకుంటుంది, అది పరమాత్మ. దీనిలో ఇది ఉంటే లాభం లే కదా. సో ఇవి రెండు కనెక్టెడ్. దేర్ఫోర్ ఏతస్మాత్ మనోమయా. చూసారా, ఈ మనస్సు అనేది మన దేహమంతా నిండిపోయింది. ఆ మనస్సు అనేది న్యూట్రల్ జెండర్. మనస్సుని ఎవరు చూడలేరు. ಏನಪ್ಪ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಮಾತು ಸರಿ, ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಏನು ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಬಾರ್ದು, దాన్ని దాచిపెట్టకండి, చెప్పేయండి అంటాం కదా. అవునా కాదా చెప్పేసేయండి బాబు, ఇక్కడ ఒక మనసు చెప్పి అక్కడ ఇంకో మనసు చేయకండి అంటారు. బట్ జనరలీ పీపుల్ రిజర్వ్. నో, గుడ్. అక్కడ దట్స్ వై ఈ ఏతస్మాత్ మనోమయాత్. And other than this manas, there is one step above in our mind, in our body. That what is that means? Anyaha Atma Vijnanamayaha Antara. Within the mind, there is Vijnanam. We all go to schools and colleges. Why? That Vijnanam will go and educate our mind, so that we'll be on the road only. లేకపోతే ఐస్ క్రీమ్ షాప్లోనూ కూర్చొని వస్తాం. బికాస్ పిల్లలు పంపిస్తే ఏమంటారు, ఇంటికి వెళ్తూనే వాట్ పీపుల్ ఆస్క్, ఏ డిడ్ యూ గో టు కాలేజ్ టుడే? ఓ ఎస్, ఐ వెంట్ టు కాలేజ్. దే విల్ నాట్ ఆస్క్, డిడ్ యూ గో టు క్లాస్? నో. దేర్ఫోర్ దే ఆర్ ఆల్ సేఫ్. ఆల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ సేఫ్. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ ఆల్వేస్ టెల్. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ఎవరు అడగలేదు. ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಂತಾರೆ. So like that, Atma Vijnanamaya. Your sister will be very happy to listen to that. Because ఈ ఆత్మ లోపలనే మనస్సు ఉంది. ఆ మనస్సు కంప్లీట్గా జ్ఞానంతో నింపాలి. When you also add for your mind in the Atma, then you are a perfect full man. Tena Purnaha Purushaha. See the algebraic equation solving. So this is mathematics. So you have body, you have Atma, and you have Ananda, you have Manas, and but Atma has got fears, but the fears have got to be removed. Then the Manas must be completely filled, and then you should put into knowledge into that mind. And into knowledge, you must put Vijnanam, and Avijnanam, when it is there, he will be a man. Otherwise, he will be beast. And you get are you man or beast and chitta? Manushya Pashuva. When you say Manushya, and you know that Manushya is a thinker. Beast is no thinking. Therefore, here the Atma which takes seat in us is what is that? It has got Vijnanam, Vijnanam put into the box of Manas, the Manas put into the Sharira, and also Manas put into the speech. So how do you know your mind? Only through your speech. So we always make quotations. He said like that. So what he said is his opinion. So Savayesha Purushaha Manomaya Kosha Govindraj. We are in the page 22 of Sarvaveda Mantra. And
Yes,
we
sir. Yes,
started talking about the importance of Vak and
Yes, Guruji.
then Manas. Both cannot reach the Brahmanandam, because
Yes, sir.
if anybody were to know the Ananda of Brahma, that particular individual will never at all be afraid. Fear will just vanish in the mind of such people who believe in God, who gets the influence of the bliss of the God in them, and slowly is mathematically deriving to say what constitutes a man. Kim va Purushaha? Who is the Purusha? The Purusha is a composite personality of Vak, mind, Anandam, and then removed of the fear, and the Atma, and that Atma is also fully filled with Manas, Manomayat. Maya is pervading. The word Maya means pervading. It is pervading with Manas, and other than that pervading mind, there is what you call as Vijnanam. So Gnanam, Vijnanam. Gnanam is a knowledge, Vijnanam application. You can do application only you have got knowledge. So without knowledge, you have no application. Therefore, when you talk about application, knowledge is basic. You must have a knowledge. Theory is basic and then application is different. That's why Vijnana Mayaha. And now, Savayesha Purusha, Purusha Vidha Eva. You say that Purusha Vidha, Vidha means Vidhanam, means the mode of doing, mode of structure. How is the structure of man? And this is the structure of man, that he has got all these components in him. And if he has got all the components well installed in him, then he is a Purnaha Purushaha. So not only that, you look at the next sentence, Tasya Purushaha Vidhatam. Purusha Vidha, Purusha Vidhatam. See, Vidha and Vidhatam have different meaning. Vidha means Purusha Vidha is model. Vidhatam under to make model. You know, in fashion TV, you get models. They cut the tailoring is too much, very much. So the dress preparation, attire preparation, what is the same human beings, but what differentiates the woman there or the person? Only the attire. So in other words, the dress pattern is advertised in the fashion show. Like that, Tasya Purusha Vidhatam. If you want to be made as a man in true sense, all these components are necessary. And therefore, for this, what is the base? Manomayam. Manas is the foundation. And again, Anvayam Purusha Vidaha. The word Anvaya means flow, continuity. How are all men made? All men are made continuously, generations together in this manner. What is true to us is true to our father, true to our grandfather, true to all living beings. Therefore, there may be difference in approaches and sadhana and yoga, but chances are the same. Same sun, same moon, same wind, is it not? ఈ పంచభూతాలు వాళ్ళు కూడా ఆలోచన చేశారు. దే ఆల్సో వర్షిప్. దేర్ ఫోర్ అన్వయం పురుష విధ. ఎంత బాగుందో. ఐ థింక్ యూ లవ్ దిస్ వే ఆఫ్ అనలిటికల్ అప్రోచ్. సో this Taittiriya Upanishad is a wonderful science treatise which is they build a mansion brick by brick and lead you to the conclusion what at least it is. Because our body is containing 5 sheaths or 5 sacs, pancha koshas, annamaya, pranamaya, manomaya. But annamaya ke limit ayyavani enni worms unnai. There are so many worms which live upon only food and they are done. But how many worms are 86 lakh species are there? But man is the only one species which is allowed to live 120 years. And so whatever slips and falls, pitfalls you will have, all pitfalls can be repaired. All potholes can be repaired. But he can have smooth life. That's why Anvayam Purusha Vida. I hope you are understanding. And again, among this kind of in series of this flow in man related to the real Atma, what is important that you have to observe? Shraddha eva siraha. See, Shraddha eva siraha means here in the previous one, Pranam Lopala, Yajur eva siraha undi. ఇక్కడ శ్రద్ధ ఏవ శిరః ఉంది. అంటే యజు అంటే ల్యాబొరేటరీ జాబ్, ప్రాక్టికల్గా చేయాలి మీరు ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్. టన్స్ ఆఫ్ థియరీ, ounce of practice, which is really enjoyable, ounce of practice. Because if you put some sugar into your mouth, you can know that however much you describe about sugar, it's only description. Like that here, Shraddha is faith. And faith is most important one. And for Shraddha, what is the right wing of it? Dakshina Peksha means right wing. The right wing or immediate support is Rutam, truth, the cosmic law. So Rutam is a common cosmic law governing all divine, semi-divine and human beings. So Rutam cha swadhyaya pravachane cha. That's one thing. Secondly, Rutam satyam, Rutagum satyam param brahma, Purusham Krishna pingalam, Urdhvaretam virupaksham, Vishwarupaya vai namo namah. Ee order lopala, what is the first one chosen? Rutam, Rutagum satyam. So Ruta and Satya, they are two alternative laws of nature concerned to divine and human, and mostly human. Satyamu అనేది హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ కి లా. సత్యం నుంచి తప్పారంటే సత్యాన్న ప్రమదితవ్యం. మహానారాయణ ప్రసక్తి సత్యాన్న ప్రమదితవ్యం, కుశలాన్న ప్రమదితవ్యం, లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ కమ్స్. సో సత్యం నుంచి ఎప్పుడు స్వర్వ్ అవ్వకూడదు. షుడ్ నాట్ డీవియేట్ ఫ్రమ్ ట్రూత్. If you deviate from truth, to substantiate the deviation, you have to make more deviations. ఒక్కసారి అబద్ధం చెప్తే అబద్ధం నిజం చేయడానికి 36 అబద్ధాలు చెప్తే కానీ నిజం అనిపిస్తుంది. బట్ ఒక్కసారి సత్యం చెప్పేస్తే యు ఆర్ సేఫ్. సో దట్స్ వై సత్యవచారాధీతర, యు ఆర్ సీయింగ్ ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్, సత్యవచారాధీతర తపయితపో నిత్య పౌరుషిష్టి. ఈ పౌరుషిష్టి said that of all the things, tapassi is swadhyaya and pravachana. See, Rutam, Rutam, Satyam, చెప్పిన తర్వాత ultimately all rishis have agreed that you must be working. Unless you work, you cannot accomplish. భోజనం చేస్తే కదా కడుపు నిండేది. వంటకారిని చూస్తుంటే కడుపు నిండుతుందండి. If you look at all the dishes in the kitchen, no, your stomach is never happy unless you go consume them. Then only you will know the taste and happiness and ananda. Amaya, today jalebi done, I'm happy. Or paisam done, I'm happy. So this kind of statements come up. Therefore, here enta beautiful Rutam Dakshina Paksha, the right hand, the right wing of our body, like bird like our body, is Rutam. And Satyamuttara Paksha. The next one, the other one is the right. Uttara means the next wing is that Satyam. So Rutam and Satyam, they alternately govern the governing laws of human and divine. So nobody should deviate from truth as far as human beings are concerned more. And nobody should be deviating from Rutam. That's why what is Rutam is Bhishma or Bhisha. Andukosam inko chota vasthundi Bhishad Vayu Pravate Bhishodeti Surya. Why sun is getting up regularly? Manam 10 నిమిషాలు లేట్ లేస్తాము, 2 గంటలు లేవము. We are taking the option. Can sun die like that? Oh, Meena garu padukunnaru. Kasabu agudamanu. Does sun take some time? No, he will not. This Meena is the sister of Saraswati, who has published Bhagavad Saptasati. So both are sisters, one in America, one in India. Both are engineers. But now she is interested in this. She is Srinivas, deeply interested in these things. He is also an engineer, but he is interested like you in this. A spirituality level, we come to know. So here, Satyam Uttara Paksha. So unless 2 wings are there, you can't fly. Unless your 2 hands are there, you are not comfortable. So the 2 hands are most important for our journey of life. Therefore, Rutam Satyam Uttara Paksha. And then what about Atma, which is seated in us? Yoga Atma. Understand? See, Atma is the yoga in the sense that this Rutam and Pratyam and Manas and all these factors which have been described to you go and fall in the ocean of Atma. Atmarpanam antaru. Atmarpanadhiya. Shankaracharya says, and all that, whatever puja, whatever seva, whatever you do, Atmarpanadhiya antaru. And Ingo Chota Shankaracharya tells us that this is Vedanta. He says that Swatmana Sthiyatam. Look at this. Swatmana Sthiyatam means you don't compare yourself with others. You are a comparison for yourself. If others lose culture, you don't lose your culture. They will repair themselves. If X is angry, if you are also angry, anger is no solution to each other. Is it not? So fire and fire is no solace. Fire and fire is equal to 2A. A plus A is equal to 2A. So A plus A, 2A and 2, fire and fire, kopam and kopam. No. Therefore, he says that Yoga Atma, when you are able to conjoin all these factors into our body, and all that kind of thing is called as yoga. Yoga is addition. Kshema is the security. When you say yoga kshema, it means yogam must be kshemam and kshemam must be yogam. That's why otherwise called it Bhadraya Bhadram. It's a Bhadram to Bhadram. It's a beautiful analysis that our Rishis do. Therefore, this is Sraddhaiva Siraha Rutam Dakshina Paksha Satyamuttara Paksha and Yoga Atma. When you have the Atma yoked with yoga, then what is the resultant of it? So resultant is one after, when 2 results are there together, the third one. So resultant force you call it, is it not? So the resultant is Pratishtha. Your mind and yourself will be stabilized. So you get the stabilization of your mind, your body, your efforts, etc. And when once your mind is stabilized, you are appreciated. If you are working continuously over 8 hours, imagine the stamina that you are exerting. If you take breaks and breaks and breaks, no progress. Grand Trunk Express, unless it travels 2 hours, it will not stop at all because it has to go to Delhi from Bangalore. So 110 ఆ రోజుల్లో 110 kilometers, 110 kilometers it was running speed. Unless it runs with that speed for 2 hours minimum, it cannot cover the distance. And for even that Rajdhani, 8 stops only to Delhi. So that's exactly what it is said that Pucham Pratishtha. Pratishtha means if you have got that kind of Diksha. What is Diksha? Yoga is Diksha. You just yoke yourself. Horse is there, cart is there. Cart. If you put the horse to the cart, it becomes a passenger gadi. So more people can sit in the cart. So that's why here, that's what Pucham Pratishtha. And what is that Mahaha? You see, we have got Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Mahaha, Janaha, Tapahal. So Mahaha is the Mahat. Mahat is Ahankara. Mahat is Omkara. So Mahat is said to be Mahadahankara, one statement. And Mahadomkara and Mahat Brahma. And this Mahat has been equated to all these things, to Omkara, to Brahma and Ahankara. Even this Ahankara is important up to the extent that it is palatable and beneficial to you. Garva undali. Man local blood pressure undali. BP should be there. They should not lower the BP. Ayo, high BP in చెప్పేసి ఎక్కువ అదే BP bottle, if BP tablets are to describe, they have to watch the BP behavior in our body. And then only doctor must decide. Today BP was high and చెప్పేసి tablet is చచ్చిపోతాడు. You will die. So there is a periodicity before you prescribe a drug, is it not? So like that here, tadapyeshaha eshaha tatu shlokaha bhavati. See, pratishtha, pratishtha and shloka. Pratishtha ante stability. Shloka means growth. Punya shlokaha, understand? Punya shlokaha means he constantly is a punyavan. He cannot be defiled at all. He remains the same. So you can't defile Krishna. Krishna mischief chesadu or tappu chesadu. No. You call it Krishna Leelas. And Maharshi Gula, even some rishis behave. For us immediately they look very much but no. Rishis behave with meaning and significance. God, gurus, that Rishi means gurus. There are some gurus who behave like Paramacharya, Kanchi. So many stories are about him. That whatever he intended, he directed, it happened. So he had got that kind of vision to see everybody and prescribe, and people are all benefited. Therefore, today he has been imaged Jesi and Pujal Jestar, Uddhar Jestar. And no other Patadipati now is having that honor, is it not? There are so many Mathas and Adhipatis are there. But Paramacharya is being given because Shloka. And so even in Karnataka, they want to do that another Swami Tirtha, who is that Swami of Uttaradi Matham, Vishweswara Tirtha. So for Karnataka people, Vishweswara Tirtha is somebody like that. They are trying to glorify. It doesn't matter. So that's why Tadapyesha Sloko Bhavati. It's a beautiful. Now let you repeat what such a parmala. Srinivas garu మీరు చెప్పండి. Yato vacho nivartante.
Yato vacho
నివర్తంతే
Aprapya manasa saha.
अप्राप्य मनसा सह
आनंदं ब्रह्मणो विद्वान्
आनन्दं ब्रह्मणो विद्वान्
न बिभेति कदाचनेति
न विभेति कदाचनेति
तस्यैष एव शारीरात्मा
तस्यैष एव शारीर आत्मा
यः पूर्वस्य
यः पूर्वस्य
तस्माद्वा एतस्मात्
तस्माद्वा एतस्मात्
मनोमयात्
मनोमयात्
अन्योन्तरात्मा विज्ञानमयः
अन्योन्तरात्मा विज्ञानमयः
तेनैष पूर्णः
तेनैष पूर्णः
स वा एष पुरुषविधा एव
स वा एष पुरुषविध एव
तस्य पुरुषविधताम्
तस्य पुरुषविधताम्
अन्वयं पुरुषविधः
अन्वयं पुरुषविधः
तस्य श्रद्धैव शिरः
तस्य श्रद्धैव शिरः
ऋतं दक्षिणः पक्षः
ऋतं दक्षिणः पक्षः
सत्यमुत्तरः पक्षः
सत्यमुत्तरः पक्षः
योग आत्मा
योग आत्मा
महः उच्छं प्रतिष्ठा
महः उच्चं प्रतिष्ठा
तदप्येष श्लोको भवति
तदप्येष श्लोको भवति
ఇలా ఆనందంగా చదువుకుంటూ ఉంటే యువర్ కల్మషం ఇన్ ది మైండ్ వరీ ఇన్ ది మైండ్ డిసపియర్స్
yes very true
if you read running no తస్య ఏష ఏవ శారీర ఆత్మ అంటూనే అలా ఆనందం ఉండిపోతుంది. I always enjoy reading slowly so that the anandam gets filled in your mind.
correct
For nothing we are all worried.
correct
But when you are reciting this, there is a peace settling
Very
down
true, very true.
slowly
very
Perfect.
into us. And that peace eternal.
yes
Kadachana antade. See, nabibheti kadachaneti antaru. అంటే ఎప్పటికి కూడా వాడు భయపడ్డు. కదాచన అంటే ఇట్స్ పర్మనెంట్ హోప్.
permanent peace permanent
సంస్కృతంలో కదాచన శబ్దానికి అర్థం ఏంటంటే ఎప్పటి వరకు. దట్స్ వై ఐ టోల్డ్ యు కళ్యాణ కృత్తాత దుర్గతిం న గచ్చతి. కృష్ణుడు ఎంత గొప్పవాడంటే తెలుసు మనుషులు మైండ్ డ్రాప్ అయిపోతుంది కదా. పొద్దున్న లేస్తూనే మెనీ పీపుల్ డ్రాప్ డౌన్ దర్ మైండ్. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬೆಳಗಾಯ್ತು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗನೆ ಬೆಳಗಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ నేను లేట్గా చేసిననే కాదు, అయ్యో ಬೆಳಗನೆ ఇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗನೆ ಬೆಳಗಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋದು, పరుపు మీదే వండుకొని చెప్పారు. దీస్ పీపుల్ డూ నాట్ బి హ్యాపీ. బట్ యూ ఫీల్ రియలీ లైఫ్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ రీడింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్. When you come out and look at the sun beautifully coming out with a happy rays. In California, sun will be golden.
yes
And that kind of gold color, hiranya varna anatre. Hiranya varnam you can really see in California.
correct very true
But because California is like India only, so much of the mountains and all that. But North India, North America is cold and all that, but you don't find such gloom. But in California area, beautiful sun. And especially through the mountain, in between two mountains, the sun will be coming up. So Udayadri, Astadri and all that. Anyway, So I think today we stop here and we'll continue next Monday. Srinivas garu మీరు రండి. Of course, today I'm so happy you're vlogging.
I will, sir. And sir, just now you said, once you taste, it's impossible to leave. This has happened with Rudram Chamakam, and we are also looking forward for Aruna Prashna. And this is something I miss, sir. I used to listen to my brother-in-law who is in Jepinagar, GN Seshadri. But he also wanted to catch on. And today, somehow, sir, I missed on Tuesday. I will never miss.
Yeah,
Easy.
Monday.
I get up at 4:30. I get up 1 hour earlier to this, but
Then
I saw a
tomorrow
message
also
15
you get
minutes.
up.
So, yes, sir.
Durga Saptami tomorrow, so grand. I'm starting that the concept of how that Durga Parameswari is done by the gods. It's also preparation. Chala baaguntundi. Second, tomorrow's talk also is interesting because I'm in second. I mean, though I read number of times, but when I read again, I find new thought, new light on that. It's not simply going to temple, looking at the image and say namaskar and get out.
Yes, sir.
But you
Sir,
have to connect with the Parameswar.
Guruji, you mentioned even in Chamakam, Shanchame, Mayaschame, Priyanchame, Kamastame. Here also Maya came today. You mentioned.
Yeah, Maya. Correct. So, and manaku only human beings have got that opportunity of variations to go higher up. No animal. Animal only wants instinct and eat food, to catch the food and eat and get out. So, but man is sensitive animal. In any sensory organs and sensors are there in us. Signals are there. All nerves are the signal points. You get messages from your brain. Hey, your stomach is hungry, go to dining table and eat. Or it is time, you take books and go. While going, take pen and also go. This kind of signals and the signatures we are getting from brain only. That's why Siraha Tasya Sira Eva Purva Patsham. So Siras is the Purva Patsham. And Miktavanni next. So thereby you observe our Rishis have educated us in such a manner that we don't feel really lost.
Correct. Everything is there.
The only thing is we should catch hold of good gurus who will inspire us.
Very true.
Because it's not like talking on the platform and get out. Neither they understand or you understand. But they should be, that's what is called. Come to closer. That's exactly Paramatma. Krishna is really great to repair Arjuna and put him back on the chariot and take him to not Kavya house, to Varvi. Yes. He wanted to relax, go home. I don't do job. But Krishna is a wonderful repairer. He again put him on that. Instead of taking to coffee club, he has taken to Varvi. So, chala bagundi. I think you are sending the recordings to Seshachala, is it not? Yes. You send them directly?
Yes, I'm sending them directly.
Yeah, because only 1 or 2 has come and so many people have sent. The
Yes.
Saitri Upanishad, the first section, I sometimes get in the YouTube. Then I see, but Taravat and Chullesu.
Okay.
Probably Atangandi Pampichandi is slowly doing the job. Yeah. Anni talks, he is doing that. And so, for example, Aditya Hridayam, there are already 140 people have seen his case but talk. In 6 days, you are not, son, I have sent you the link also, the YouTube. మీ అబ్బాయికి చూపించండి, వాడికి ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ వస్తుంది. He should see, because Aditya Hridayam is something common to everybody.
Yes, yes.
And if you tell him, if you recite Aditya Hridayam, you will get first rank.
Absolutely.
Sir,
He will be very
Guruji,
motivated.
Guruji, in my family, my mother, as you know, has made everybody to recite from, I would say, age of 5 till today. When my grandson is now 3 months, when he takes a bath, we recite Aditya Hridayam from, on remote from here. My son also recites. It's surprising that we listened to your Aditya Hridayam from day for yesterday. Wonderful, sir. It was. I sent it to so many people in Dubai, and my friends
Yeah,
all have
definitely.
picked up.
And moreover, the master key is Jayavaham.
Jayavaham, yes.
That is the master key of the whole Aditya Hridaya.
Uh-huh.
There is no failure.